Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your images leap off the screen with easy 3D pop-out effects? Click the Create button, then choose Customize Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels as your dimensions. After setting the size, confirm your selection by clicking the Create button to generate your new canvas. Go to the Elements tab and search for a photo similar to this one. Next, look for a curved line element in the options. Select it, and then add the curved line to your design. To adjust the curves, simply click and drag the curved line to modify the shape and achieve your desired effect. To duplicate an object, select it and press Ctrl plus D on your keyboard. Each time you press Ctrl plus D, another duplicate will appear. Repeat this process to create multiple copies as needed. This shortcut is useful for quickly making identical objects without manually copying and pasting each one every time. Select the object you want to rotate and use the Rotate tool to turn it to your desired angle. Next, select the second object for the opposite side and repeat the rotation process, making sure it mirrors the first rotation. This ensures both sides are properly aligned and rotated as needed in your project. Duplicate the content by selecting it and copying it to the new location. Make sure everything appears exactly as it did before. Once you've confirmed the duplication is complete, move to the top right corner and click the Share button. From the Share menu, select the Download option. A pop-up will appear for download settings, and set these to the maximum quality to ensure the best result. Double check that all options are optimized before continuing. Next, click the Download button to start saving your file. When prompted to name your file, enter D5 as the new file name. This will help keep your project organized and easy to identify later. Wait for the download to finish before moving on to the next step. Select the desired cell, click to activate it, then drag and drop cell D5 into the selected location. Next, select the Detail Remover tool from the toolbar. Apply it to the area you want to adjust, smoothing out unnecessary details with precision. Click Add. Next, select Glow from the Effects menu and apply it to your object. Then, add the Curve effect to further adjust the appearance. Make sure both effects are active before continuing. Select the original photo and place it on your canvas. Click to open the transparency settings. Reduce the transparency level so the image becomes see-through. Now, position the photo over the spot where you want to match the image below. Adjust the transparency slider again as needed until both images are aligned perfectly. This helps you accurately overlay and match your images. Next, let's match this image. Look at the image displayed on your screen and compare it to the reference image provided in the guide. Carefully check details like colors, shapes, and layout to ensure everything matches exactly. If you notice any differences, go back and adjust the settings or elements until your image matches the reference. Taking this step ensures accuracy and consistency before you continue to the next part of the process. First, turn on the transponder by locating the power switch and sliding it to the on position. Wait for the indicator light to confirm that the transponder is active. Next, move to your computer and look for the Picture Mover application icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Double-click the icon to launch the program. Once the software opens, navigate to the main menu and find the Import option. Click on it to begin the process of transferring your files. When prompted, select the images you want to move from your device. Confirm your selection and monitor the progress bar as your images are moved. Wait until the transfer completes before closing the application. Next, the selection transfers to the other side. Click and drag it slightly upward to adjust the position. Make sure the alignment looks correct. These are the two matching elements you need to focus on. Double check that both elements are lined up as shown on the reference layer. If needed, use your arrow keys for finer adjustments. Continue refining the position until the edges match perfectly. This will ensure consistency across your design. When you're satisfied, move on to the next step. To center the element, first select it by clicking directly on it. Then, look for the alignment tools in the top toolbar and choose the Center Alignment option. This will automatically position your element in the center of the canvas. Next, to add a border, go to the Properties panel usually found on the right side of the screen. Find the Border section, then click to enable the border. You can adjust the border's color, thickness, and style as needed to fit your design. This completes centering and adding a border. Duplicate the layer, then click Vertical Flip to create the mirrored effect. Once you're satisfied with the result, click the Share button located at the upper right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download to save your finished project to your device. Make sure to choose your preferred file format before confirming the download. Your flipped and duplicated image is now ready to use. Click the Save as PDF option, then print your document. These are the final steps for saving and printing. Try out your new 3D pop-out skills in Canva. Like and subscribe for more creative design tips.